Yeah, move up. Steady, boys, keep it straight. This one looks good. Weight estimate 1,500 pounds.
Confirmed. Moving him to pen 4. All clear for the next group.
Ear tag scan complete. Attaching biomonitor now. Data stream is active. Vitals are optimal.
Immunization syringe is prepped and ready for lane 5.
Guide them through gate B, quickly.
Vitals confirmed. Releasing the group now.
Keep them moving straight ahead now. All right, send the next group through. Watch the gate. All right, lift it up. Pull your side over there. Watch the edge slowly now. This sheet is clear for the rollers. Confirmed. Ensure they log the square footage before processing. This batch looks good, ready for cutting. Confirmed. Moving the next hide into position.
This batch looks ready for drying. Check the tensile strength readings.
The quality control report confirms it. We'll move it forward.
Is the alignment set on your end? Yes, ready to initiate the sequence. Monitoring the cut now.
The precision on this batch meets the quality standards.
Good. Approve them for the coloring treatment.
Look at the delta E values here, they're perfect. Excellent. The new mixture is working.
These leather stacks need to be relocated to Zone 4 by the end of the day.
I'll update the inventory management system right away.
Inventory levels on aisle 3 look low. We need to restock by.
I agree. Let's move the replenishment order up to this afternoon.
The organization here is excellent. Everything is secured.
Yeah, agreed. The inventory matches the system display perfectly.
The packaging integrity is compromised on this one, but the leather itself seems fine.
Should we move it to secondary inspection for
The inventory numbers match the digital manifest.
quality control is confirming the grading now?
Excellent. We can approve this shipment for storage.
This section here meets the specifications.
Yes, the thickness is uniform.
Okay, marking lot 21 as approved in the system.
Did this batch pass inspection?
Yes, the quality is excellent, ready for processing.
Look at the data here. We've exceeded the target output again.
The new system is definitely improving our efficiency.
Welcome to Aura. Feel free to look around, and the new leather bags are on the left.
Oh wow, they look incredible.
We use only the finest Italian leather, and every wallet is hand-stitched for maximum durability and finish quality.
Welcome to Aura. Feel free to look around, and the new leather bags are on the left.
Oh wow, they look incredible.
I'm so pleased with this piece. It's absolutely stunning. It is a lovely choice. We'll just finalize the payment for you now.
Your transaction is complete. Thank you for choosing Aurora & Co.
Here is your purchase, neatly packed.
The craftsmanship on this horn accessory is remarkable. Is it ethically sourced?
Thank you for your purchase today. Oh, it's lovely. Thank you.
The leather molds perfectly to your foot. Yeah.
It's incredibly comfortable. I am very pleased with the quality.
The stitching here is done by hand using a saddle stitch technique for unmatched durability.
The craftsmanship is absolutely exquisite. As you can see, the natural variations in the horn make each piece truly unique.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful.
Look at this stitching on the leather. It's exquisite.
My horn necklace is absolutely stunning too. We look amazing. I'm so happy with this purchase.
Me too. And look, we can check out the new arrivals now. Welcome home. You actually bought them all.
I did.
Look at this beautiful leather bag. Wow, so many presents.
The polishing on this is absolutely exquisite.
Yeah.
It feels incredibly smooth. Look at the reflection. Wow, it shines so brightly.
The quality of the craftsmanship is just stunning.
It truly makes this house feel like home.